Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I am cooking corned beef and fried dumpling. Come with me, let me show you how to cook corned beef and fried dumpling Jamaican style. Now I am needing the dough to make the fried dumplings, and this is what I use in my ingredients: flour, salt, water, some white sugar, and baking powder. And I need, so you're gonna use, based on the amount of flour or dumplings you're making, you use the amount of salt and the rest of ingredients that you want by the quantity that you're using. So we need the dough, and I also use some margarine, also small amount of margarine. So after kneading the dough, I'm gonna leave it to set for a few minutes before I start to fry it. Now that the dough has been set, I made my dumplings and I made them round. Pour a little oil into the frying pan, allow it to hot. You can't put it into the cold oil, it should be hot. It's, or else your dumplings will be spoiled, okay? Now that the oil is hot, I place the dumplings into the pot, into the hot oil, allow it to fry on one side for 5 minutes. Make sure it is on low to medium heat, especially low, and allow your dumplings to fry until golden brown on one side. Then you turn it and put it on the other side. Allow it to golden brown. Also, then you can, if you're not sure if it's cooked, you can use a pick, a knife, or a fork to stick the dumpling. When you stick that dumpling, if there's no flour or no dough on the pick or whatever you use, that means your dumpling has been cooked or almost cooked. But if flour residue comes out on that pick or fork, your dumplings need to be cooked for a few more minutes. And make sure you don't have high heat on your dumpling. Your dumpling will turn golden brown and the inside, the flour will be raw. Don't do that. Do it as I said or as I told you, okay? Now that the dumplings has been fried golden brown and it is soft or solid on the inside, no raw flour. Now I put it into a container with a piece of paper towel so it can soak or absorb excess oil. So one set of the dumpling has been fried, and I went ahead and made some tea in between, my ginger lemon tea with honey. And now I am frying a new set of dumplings. While the second set of dumplings fry, it is time for me to chop my seasoning for the corned beef. So I have tomatoes, garlic, onions, and sweet pepper. Now that the seasons has been washed and chopped, I went ahead and opened a can of corned beef. In this corned beef that I have poured into the bowl, I add some vinegar, black pepper, pepper seed, and that's crushed pepper seed, and combined all ingredients. To cook or heat the corned beef, I add a little amount of oil to the pot and saute the season, the onion, the scallion, the garlic, the tomatoes, and the bell peppers. So I saute them for a few minutes, drain off the oil because it was a little bit too much, and then add the corned beef and stir and add the necessary ingredients that I needed to add it. Now remember, corned beef is already pre-cooked and in the tin, so it doesn't take a lot of time to get it ready when cooking. So now that I am finished, I am going to share the corned beef and dumplings.